Last weekend was very interesting and it was very relaxing too. Why? Because I went for a short staycation in one of the five-star hotels in Kolkata. Yes, my staycation was in Novotel Hotel, which is situated in New Town, Kolkata. This was my hotel room in the sixth floor of this building. And as usual, my first focus on how is the view. So I straight away went towards the window side and tried to sneak a peek on what can I see from this window. Wow, it's a swimming pool, it's a shopping mall, and the landscape of Newtown area. That's a bed. Well, it looks quite comfy. Then the sofa. Okay, what else we have? The TV, the table. There is also a chair and okay, small kitchenette for making tea, coffee. A small refrigerator, but it has nothing inside it. Looks like people are not so fond of taking from minibar or eating from minibar. All right, next our closet, the safe, and this iron area. All right, to keep your luggage. Bathroom is as usual what we see in five-star hotel normally. Nice arrangements of toiletries. This property has really many relaxing areas apart from your hotel room. For example, this pool area. This is such a comfortable zone, I'd say. You can sit and relax here for hours. The environment is very cozy, very refreshing. And there is also a terrace. I see that no one is going to the terrace garden, so I decided let me go and explore there. What what do I get to see in at the top of this terrace? So we are going up to explore the terrace garden. I love this small, beautiful piece of green in this very busy city life in which we are living. It's so calm, so peaceful, so serene. I'm loving every second of it here. That's all for now. Let me now enjoy the green, enjoy the breeze, and I'm going to explore more and share with you very soon. Till then, bye bye.